Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an iPhone microphone that is not working. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix if the microphone is not working on your iPhone device. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. First of all, you will have restored your iPhone. Restored an iPhone can resolve many issues including microphone glitch. So first of all, here you will need to restore your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, volume down, and you will have to long press the power button until the Apple logo appears. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then after that, check for blocked openings. All iPhones have at least 3 microphones. Check the bottom, front and back microphones opening to ensure these openings are not covered, blocked or obstructed in any way. Even a screen protector could be the reason of the microphone not working. So make sure that all the 3 microphones are working properly and not covered. Then after that, unplug any accessories. Unplug all accessories such as Bluetooth, headset, earbuds and headphone connected to the phone and use the microphone again to see if it works. If it still does not work, then try a new headset. Faulty or cheap headset are often the culprit when a microphone is not working. So here you will have to change your headset and try again later and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here you will have to open setting of your iPhone device. Then after that, in search bar, search for microphone. So here is microphone. You will have to just simply tap on this. Then here make sure that you have enable the access to all these apps from here, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here you will have to open setting of your iPhone device. Then after that, scroll it below, tap on general, then tap on software, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to again open setting. Then after that, scroll it below, tap on general, then again scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Then from here you will have to tap on reset or settings. Then after that, here you will have to enter your passcode. Then after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed and the headset issue will be resolved on your iPhone device and microphone will be working properly on your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.